morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 31 based on statistics. Let us start with the question number 1. An incomplete distribution is given as follows. Here we are having one distribution is given for us. In that some frequencies are missing. Here we have to find out the missing frequencies. And you are given that median value is 35 and sum of all the frequencies is 170. So even median value is also given for us and sum of all frequencies is also given for us. So by using with the help of median formula, you have to find out the missing frequencies. So first, let us start with the solution for this one right now. Let the missing frequencies for the classes we are having 20 to 30 and 40 to 50. Okay, for 20 to 30, let the missing frequency be F1, and for 40 to 50, let the missing frequency be F2. Okay, so now sum of all the frequencies is given for you as 170. That means the complete, when you add all the frequencies, you will be getting 170 here. So that means what is the meaning of that? That is 10 plus 20 plus, here we took it as F1, plus 40 plus F2 plus 25 plus 15 is equal to 170. This is what we are having. So from this, 10 plus 20 is 30 plus 40 is 70, 70 plus 25 plus 15 is 40, 70 plus 40 is 110. So 170 minus 110, that will be giving you 60. So that means here we are going to get it as F1 plus F2 is equal to 60. We got one equation with respect to F1 and F2. Next, let us consider some more things. You are given that the median value is 35. Now observe the classes where you are getting this median value 35. So 35 comes in between of 40 and 50. Right? 35 comes in between of 30 to 40. If you check it properly, 35 comes in between of 30 to 40. Right? So therefore this will be our median class. If 30 to 40 is our median class, then L will be 30. Yes, L will be 30 and F will be 40 here, frequency of the median class, and cumulative frequency will be the sum of these three. Right? This is what we are going to take, right? So L is equal to, since 35 is the median which lies in between of 30 and 40, so our median class will be, so median class is 30 to 40. So L will be 30 in this. Next, frequency of the median class, that is 40, is considered as F. So F, that is frequency of the median class, is 40. So cumulative frequency preceding the median class is nothing but the sum of these three frequencies. That means 10 plus 20 plus F1. So here cumulative frequency is equal to 10 plus 20 plus F1. That is nothing but 30 plus F1. We got L, we got F, we got cumulative frequency. And next, and anyhow the complete sum is 170. Right? So the complete sum we are having is given for you as clearly, it is sum of the frequencies is 170. So N is equal to 170, already we have it. And H value is nothing but sum of the difference of the successive lower limits or two successive upper limits. 10 minus 20 minus 10 is 10 or 10 minus 0 is 10. So that means H also is 10. Here we got all the values. So we know according to the calculation part, so the median is calculated by, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency CF by F into H. So these are the things what you are going to, with the help of this we are going to find out F1 and F2. So median is given for you as 35. 35 is equal to L is 30 plus N is 170. 170. So 170 by 2. 170 by 2, if you check it out, it will be 85 minus CF. CF is 30 plus F1. So that is 30 plus F1 by F. What is our frequency? That is 40 into the size of the class interval, that is size of the class, that is 10. Next, after this, when you come for the further simplification, take 30 to the LHS part. So 35 minus 30 will give you 5. 5 is equal to 85 minus, see here, first 0 and this 0 gets cancelled in this. So 85 minus 30 will be giving you 55. 55 minus F1 by 4. So on cross multiplication, 20 is equal to 55 minus F1. From here, F1 is equal to 55 minus 20, that is equal to 35. So you got the value of F1 as 35. So after getting the value of F1 as 35, substitute in this equation to get the value of F2. That means F2 is equal to 60 minus F1. That is F2 is equal to 60 minus 35. That equal to 25. So therefore F1 and F2 values are 35 and 25. So this completes this question. Coming to the second question here. The median of the distribution given below is 14.4. Find the values of x and y if the total frequency is 20. Here also the total frequency is given for us as 20 and x and y values you have to find out. So for this, when you go look after the solution, you can do in the previous way also. So next one, let us draw the distribution part table for this one right now. So it is class interval, and next frequency, next cumulative frequency. Now if you check here, we are having the classes as 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to 30. Here are the classes we have. Next, the frequencies for this are 4, x, 5, y, 1. The cumulative frequencies, it is the first one 4 remains the same, 4 plus x remains as 4 plus x, 4 plus x plus 5 will be giving you 9 plus x, 9 plus x plus y, 9 plus x plus y plus 1 will be giving you 10 plus x plus y. So this is what we are having here, 10 plus x plus y. So when you take out the complete addition of all the frequencies, that also will be the same. That means here we are going to get as n is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus x plus y. Now this is the distribution table we have, and next after this, if the total frequency is 20, that means total frequency is given for as 20. So that means here it is 10 plus x plus y is equal to 20. From this I am going to get one equation with respect to x plus y, that is 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So I got one equation as x plus y is equal to 10. So now next is, see the median. Median it is given for us as 14.4. Here we have 14.4 is the median given for us. Now check it, it comes in which classes? 14.4 comes in between of 12 to 18. 14.4 comes in between of 12 to 18. So this will be considered as our median class, since we can see the median value, that is 14.4, which comes in between of 12 and 18. So therefore L will be 12, right? L becomes the 12 part, and this 5 becomes frequency, and similarly 4 plus x becomes cumulative frequency, right? So now we got L, we got 5, we got F, we got CF, we know even N also, that is 20 for us, right? So now let us substitute the formula, let us write the value separately, then we can go for the simplification. L is equal to 12. The next F, that is frequency of the median class, that is 5 we are having already here. The cumulative frequency we got it as 4 plus x. Cumulative frequency we got it as 4 plus x. Next H, when you go for the H, that is size of the class, we are having 6 minus 0 is 6, or 12 minus 6, anyhow it is 6. So H is equal to 6, we are having it, and N is equal to 20, which is already given in the question for us. So N is equal to 20. So we got all the values. Now let us substitute in the formula for getting the value of the x and y. So right, median here, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So median is given for us as 14.4 is equal to L, we got it as 12 plus n by 2, n is 20, 20 by 2 is 10 minus Cf. So if you see the Cf part here, Cf is 4 plus x. So minus of 4 plus x by f. F is the frequency of the median class, that is 5. Frequency of the median class, that is 5 here. So 5 into h is 6. Now when you go for this further simplification of this part, so 14.4 minus 12. So when you take out this 14.4 minus 12, you are going to get it as 2.4 is equal to 10 minus 4 minus x. This is 5. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus x into 6 we are having already outside. So when you bring this here, 2.4 multiplies with 5 to have 5 was 20, 5 is 10, that is 12. So again we are going to get it as 12 is equal to, when you multiply 6 here, it will be 36 minus 6x. From this, bring this minus 6x to the LHS and take this 12 to the RHS. So it will be 6x is equal to 36 minus 12. That means 6x is equal to 24. From here, x is equal to 24 by 6, that is 4. So now you got the value of x as 4. We have to find out even the value of y. So how to get the value of y? Here we have one equation already, we got that x plus y is equal to 10. Now substitute here. When you substitute in this, 4 plus y is equal to 10. From here, y is equal to 10 minus 4, that equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and y equal to 6 are the values we got here for x and y. So this completes this question. Coming to the next question here. A life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Calculate the median age if the policies are only given to the persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Okay, we have to calculate the median part in this. So here, if you observe properly, if you just look after the column what it is given in this, it is observed clearly that this is the frequencies where we are seeing is they are going on increasing, and here we don't have the classes properly. That means this is what given for us. When you see this table, LCF, the less than cumulative frequency part is given for us. That means we don't have classes and we don't have frequency directly. So we have to first find out the classes and the frequencies. Then we will go for the calculation part. Now if you see here, below 10, if you observe clearly, the difference here it is 20, 25, 30, 35, the difference is 5. So below 20 means we can take from 15. So 15 to 20 we are having 2, right? First one, first frequency we got it. Next one you see, below 25 is 6. Below 25 it is 6. Out of those below 25 which are 6, already 20, below 20 are 2. Out of 6, 2 are below 20. So remaining are 4. So those 4 lie between 20 to 25. This is how we are going to calculate the frequencies, right? Next, similarly, suppose you check here, below 30 you are having it as 24. So below 30 you are having 24. Out of those 24 who are below 30, out of those 24, 6 are below 25. So how many are left? 18 are left. Those 18 lie between 25 and 30. This is how we are going to calculate this. So one more way also, we can just subtract directly and we can do it off. See this here. Let us go for the solution for this one. So this is how we are calculating it. Just check it out here. So 15 to 20 we got it as directly 2. So cumulative frequency is also 2 for us. Next 20 to 25. 20 to 25. When you take the classes, this is below 15 to 20, below 20 and below 25. So therefore, since the difference was 5, we took the classes here. Next, these were the cumulative frequency we are having 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100. So here the particular frequencies, that is 15 to 20 we got it as, we discussed as 2, 20 to 25 we got it as 4. So here, that was the case how we took initially. Now we can take it directly here. So 2, next we are having 6 minus 2 is 4, we got it in this. Next 25 to 30, 24 minus 6, that will be 18. Next 30 to 35, 45 minus 24, that will be giving you 21. Next 35 to 40, 78 minus 45, so that will be 33. Next 40 to 45 to get the frequency. 89 minus 78 will be 11. Next 45 to 50, that is 92 minus 89, that is 3. For 50 to 55, 98 minus 92, that is 6. Next 55 to 60, 100 minus 98, that is 2. So these are how we got the frequencies as well as classes. Now the total frequency here, if you check it clearly, the total frequency here again will be n is equal to 100, the same thing. So total frequency will be again 100 in this case. So now, so 100, n by 2, first take it n by 2, n by 2 is 100 by 2, that is equal to 50. Now see the cumulative frequency which is greater than or nearer to that 50 part. So we have clearly that it is 78. So this will be considered as our median class. So in this 33 will be considered as F and 45 considered as CF or capital F anyway, and next 35 will become L. Right? So we got the calculations here and n is already there. So substitute in the formula of median, that is L plus n by 2 L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, and H is already known, it is 5 here. So in this, when you substitute in this case, we are going to get it as L is 35, 35 plus n by 2, n is 100, 100 by 2, that is 50, 50 minus CF, CF is 45, 45 by F, F is 33 into H, H value is 5. So here I got it as 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25, 25 by 33, that is 35 plus 0.76. When you calculate this, so it will be 35.76. This is how we are going to calculate the median whenever particularly less than cumulative frequency or greater than cumulative frequencies are given for us. First we have to find out the classes, then the frequencies, then we will apply the method. So this is the final solution for this. Thank you.